Good morning, Namaste, Sat Shri Akal, Adab. A very warm welcome to everyone. Dear students, school is a place that provides education, and education is the key to life. In school, you learn how to learn, correct? And you go to school to learn new things, correct? And we also believe that other activities are also very important to make you a good learner. Yes, this is why I am here. Today I am going to teach you how to cook a fantastic, simple yet a very healthy recipe. You can give it a try. So, without wasting time, let's get started.
Recipe, the main ingredient is seedless dates. We call it khajur as well. And for the filling and garnishing, we are using some dry fruits and gems. I have used a single packet of gems. See, I'm using this dark chocolate for the topping and these white cream based nuts. This is for the decoration, garnishing. This is also for the garnishing. These are the silver sweet and silver coated balls, small balls. You can get it from any confectionery or grocery shop. See, I have used only 2 Milky Bar milk chocolates. See, I have used these chocolates. These chocolates are easily available in the market. And for this, I have used dark chocolate. This is the dark chocolate. If you don't get a dark chocolate in the market, you can use this syrup as well. This is a chocolate flavored syrup. You can get it easily in the market. It is available. See, for garnishing, this is also for the garnishing. Milk chocolates and dark chocolate.
Let's jump right to make it. Start. For this recipe, you need some dates. Seedless dates. Fine. You can use any kind of date. Actually, this kind of date was available in the market, so I'm using it. But you can use any kind of date. Okay. Take a knife. You can cut it like this as well. See, these are small sized, dates. So cut this much. Now fill some chocolate inside it. You can use a raisin. Cut, pull it off, keep it inside like this. Now close it properly. Can you see this? Okay. Now for this, see, you need some cake pop-up sticks for this, but it was actually not available in the market, So whatever is available in the market, please use it. Do not rush here and there to buy and get all the stuff. Whatever is needed, you can take any substitute for for any ingredient, any product, any object. Fine. See, it was not available in the market, so I'm using this toothpick. It was here at home, so I have used this stick. Instead of pop-up stick, I'm using this toothpick. See, now put it inside. Okay, put it inside. Put this toothpick almost to the top of the date, like this. Now it is looking like a lollipop, you can see. Okay, after this, I coated my date in the chocolate syrup and garnished my lollipop with these silver sweet balls. And see, my lollipop is ready. See, you can decorate it with any material. Now let's move on to the next one. We will make the second lollipop. Our first one. Now let's move on to the second lollipop. Start making. Same with a date and a toothpick. Fine. Now again dip this date in the chocolate syrup. See, how am I doing? In the same way. If you have any excess chocolate, you can remove it or spread it like this. See, spread the chocolate all over the date. Yum. It is looking really very yum. Second lollipop is ready. Now see, what will we do for this? See, I have this nut. Okay, you cannot put this nut here, so what I did, I have crushed it. See, the crushed nut here. And what will I do? I will coat this lollipop with the nut. See, how am I doing? Fully coated. It is very easy and even very healthy. See? Nice, na? Wow. Yum. Now our second nut is ready. Keep it here. Let's move on to the third one. Same way. In the same way, take this nut and a toothpick. Do like this. Okay, again coating, chocolate coating. I can't wait. I want to eat them. But let me finish my work first. Then we will taste them. See? Very simple. It will not take a lot of time to make it. See? Third lollipop is ready. Now this time what will I do? I have crushed gems. Now in the same way. Ooh, yum! It is looking very nice. You love jams, na? You can eat jams like this also. It is really very yum. See? Ooh, nice, na? Third one, ready. We will keep it here. Now let's move on to the fourth one. We are making different lollipops. Fine. So every time you need a toothpick. This time pull it like this. We will stuff it. We will fill it with some white chocolate. White chocolate. Keep it like this. White chocolate. See? Now a coating of dark chocolate. Again a toothpick. Put the chocolate on the back also. See, are you doing it? It is very simple. See, hardly it is taking 2 minutes to make one lollipop. See, you can remove the excess chocolate. Okay? Now, see, the fourth one is ready. Now what will you do? Take some white cream balls, milk cream, and in the same way garnish it all over the day. Nice, na? See? Now keep it here. We have made 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let's try another one. See, students, the fifth one, the fifth date pop-up. I'm keeping it here. Now listen, students. This is an activity, but we didn't make it in the kitchen. Yes, na? Because it is cooking without fire, cooking without flame activity. Fine. What you have studied in the classroom, what your ma'am has told you, that children should not play with flame, with fire. This is one of the safety rule, है ना? This is why the school has organized cooking without flame activity for you, without any help. You can make it by your own. Fine. Make it and share your pictures with us. We will wait your delicious pop-ups to come. Dear students, thank you for being here. I hope you have enjoyed and you will do the same at home. Thank you. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.